Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this video, we'll be as fast as possible. So I've got a lot of questions. What patches? What are the voices you use for your montage during your praise and worship? And this will be going into is the patches. One of the patches I use for my worship song. And without wasting no time, we'll dive right into it. I think I'll be doing this as an episode, yeah, like episode series here, of course. So if you want me to continue this as a series, I'll be sharing a lot of patches I've found out here, a lot of voices I've found, and I'll be sharing them with you guys. So this is a patch I've noticed most pianists use during their worship session, yeah. And I've heard these from Nathaniel Bass's keyboardists, yeah, and Dunsin keyboardists, yeah. So let's dive right into it. So for our first fader, we have a piano right here. So of course there's a piano. So on the next fader, we have a trans MW here. It can be found under the pad analog here. So it's a pad, and it has a good ambience for worship. So yeah, you can hear the ambience even on the lower octave. Yeah. A good singer can do a lot with these. So on the next fader, we have a background strings. Yeah, it's found under your strings. So you can hear that, right? On the next fader, we have a polysynth. That is like to give a whole big body to the patch, yeah. So but while playing, you won't have to put a lot of gain, yeah. So on my next fader, I have a Galaxy DX, yeah. So on my next fader, I have a Galaxy DX. If you've listened to a lot of Nathaniel Bassey ministration, his pianists use a lot of Galaxy DX. Yeah. So you hear some of, let's assume the the concerts grand, that's the piano and the Galaxy DX. So this is how it sounds. So that's a piano and a Galaxy DX. Yeah, just to the Galaxy DX give it that crispy sound. Yeah, on the next one we have a dark atmosphere pad. So this is how it sounds alone. Yeah. This is an amazing pad and it gives ambience. Yeah. So on the next fader we have a tornado. Yeah, this is how it sounds. It has a lot of effects inside of it, yeah. You can hear it. So the last fader we have a Sunday organ, is an organ. If you listen to a lot of Nathaniel Bassey and Dunsin's ministration, they use a lot of this organ. So now you know best on how to manage your volume using these patches. Yeah, so I really can't teach you how. I will just show you how I regulate my volume, but it depends on how much energy the song is having at that moment. So you know what voices to drop at each each time. So let's assume we are on a piano. Let's add patches. We have the drums, background, policing just a little. The Galaxy piano, yeah, just about probably 6 to 7. Dark atmosphere power, just a little of it. Tornado, just a little, because it has a lot of effects here, so it won't be that noisy. Maybe when the music is calm, you can use the tornado, but when you're out of vibing, you could just drop the tornado so as not to cause a lot of busyness. Then same as the Sunday as well, yeah. So I think for doing a lot of solo, we don't need the Sunday. I think we just need some of the strings, some of the poly, and so. And let's assume the song is slow and you're just gently following the lead singer. So you could just go with this, with a little of the Sunday. You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, will lift the worship. So basically this is my worship patch episode 1. And I promise you guys I'll do as well to share more patches, yeah, as soon as I can and as soon as I look at them. So thank you for staying till the end. Yeah, appreciate you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and share to those who you think this is going to help here. So really appreciate you. Thank you. See you in my next video. Cheers.